What is going on, my beautiful dolls and divas? It's the Queen of Hair Illusions, and I'm gonna put you on. When you buy a brand new set of Marcels, you can't just pull them out the pack and start curling. You have to temper them first. So think of it like a cast iron, brand new. It sticks. But once you heat and season it, it gets better with time. So place your iron in the stove. Let it heat up about 10-15 minutes until the metal turns bluish tint. That's when you know it's seasoned. Cool it down, then repeat the heat cycle 2 to 3 more times. Once it's tempered, your Marcels will work smoother, hold heat properly, and give you cleaner results behind the chair. All right, so before you ever go ahead and use a hot tool on someone's natural tresses or their hair, you need to test the heat, okay? Always. The best way to do that is with a white Sanic strip or tissue. Watch if the strip scorches the tool, it's too hot, okay? If it glides smoothly without burning, you're safe to go and stop, okay? Now, this applies to both hot combs and Marcels. So, testing your tools going to protect your client's hair, their scalp, and your professional reputation, okay? So, protect their crown, protect your craft. What's going on, my beautiful dolls and divas? It's the Queen of Hair Illusions, and I'm gonna put you on. First things first, we're always going to test our hot comb before we put it on our client's hair. We're gonna do that with a Sanex strip. That way, you know it's not too hot and won't cause damage. Here's the real secret: the teeth of the comb don't straighten the hair. They just glide it through. So it's actually the back of the comb that does the pressing. Use the back for a silky smooth finish every time. When you're starting out with Marcel's, you want to train your wrist to build that muscle strength. Make sure you're going ahead and making your hands strong, okay? So the sound that you're hearing, I left the audio on, is that click, click turn that I want you to go ahead and do. So we're going to go ahead and create drills. Practice rolling, opening, and closing. Do this a couple times every day to build that muscle memory. Practice makes mastery. We're going to have some fun right now and get into a little bit more closer one-on-one, just to showcase all of the different techniques that you can play with the Marcels. Did you know Marcels came out with a flat iron? There's nothing new underneath the sun, dolls and divos. Yes. Before your electric flat iron that you got, the little cheat, the little fire, all the ones that's out here, you had that stove. They came in different size too. You do your waterfalls, your pineapple curls, your flips. But that's when you play with the C irons and all that. But this joker right here is standard. That's a 1-inch flat iron right there. Okay? Now, the one thing I want to go ahead and talk about the Marcels is it's a oldies but goodies. It's a art in today's beauty industry that I feel as though that could kind of reset some of the drama that's going on between the clients and the beauticians. Let me know in the comments what you feel. Clients who have experienced Marcel's always used to hear, my curls last longer, my curls last long. Now your hair did smell like a stove, but it was no such thing as no heat damage. Why? Because we had iron. I still have the same Kentucky made Marcel's from 2002. Okay. Now, Kentucky made is Old Faithful, Kazori, they okay. I had the rainbow set. Don't play with none of the funny colors. All right. So if you're gonna go ahead and get back into the game, you can play with different color handles, but leave all that rainbow stuff alone, because at the end of the day, it's not cute. When it get hot, it's all burnt up, and at the end of the day, it's not gonna last that long. Kentucky made. Let me go ahead and give me some clips. Let me get some clips. Right now, we just did a spiral curl. Okay. We're going to make sure that the section that you go ahead and section out to do that curl matches the burl of the curling iron. Same way when you picking up flat irons and you flat iron hair, it should be the same dimension and the same sectioning as your flat iron. Other than that, it's not going to be evenly distributed as far as the heat. Okay. Now, I feel as though that if some beauticians start playing with separating themselves from the herd and doing things that we did in hair school, and learning an art that's not so trendy, bringing certain things back, then maybe we might can reset some of this stuff out here. Y'all want old school stylists? Then okay, we're gonna have to learn old school methods. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you certain things that I feel as though that when you know how to do these, you can curl some hair. That's all I'm gonna say. All right. So at the end of the day, it's a lot of opportunity for you to stand out. Everyone out here is doing the frontals and all that stuff. There's nothing underneath the sun. So why not get ahead? Why not go ahead and make a staple? It's better, more hair care, ain't no heat damage. This is the artistry right here. Okay? This is the artistry. And it's all about the heritage. We took pride as beauticians. Okay, we came in looking a certain kind of way. And your clients can feel the difference in the longevity and the quality of their style. So go ahead and play with it. Make sure you always test your strips. I'm seasoned, so I don't have to do this so much. When you tempered your irons, like you did in the beginning of the video, you're going to go ahead and get a feel for it. Have fun, create. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you're a beautician and you want some one-on-ones or you want to learn more about the Marcels. I got you covered. We can do different hairstyles. We come into play on YouTube University. The Queen of Hair Illusions got so much to give y'all. So make sure you like, comment, leave whatever you want to see next below, and I got you covered. And at the end of the day, let's shine. Keep it moving. Let me show you how to create 3 different looks using 3 different tools. Let's get into this first Marcel that we're going to use. We're going to silken out the hair. We're going on with the second Marcel, giving a spiral curl. And then we're going to go ahead and use our pencil size Marcels to go ahead and do a one curl. You can do so many different looks using your Marcels. Go ahead and make sure you practice, click, click, turn, play with them, test them strips. Go ahead and create, and you got this. With practice, you'll be able to master every curl technique and bring your styles to life. Keep building your skills, and I'll see you in the next one.